Let me give you a tour of the 20J TELLARO by Thor, sold at Lazy Days. MSRP show price $127. This one's kind of new to my eye. Big step board, love that handle, good job. What's kind of cool is this has a front lounge that faces the patio door, so when you have your awesome Instagram view, that's what you get to see. Lap belts. I see a ladder. What does that mean? Yes. This is a pop top that is closed, but has a huge skylight. Love that. Storage. Cool. It's got a little window valance here. Kind of interesting. Never quite curious about their walls. They never seem to really fix tight. But this is kind of cool because I don't see a lagun table mount, so that's kind of weird. Maybe I'm missing something. Don't see one, don't see a hole in the floor for a table, so I guess you're holding your dinner in your lap. I don't know. Wardrobe, nice. And here's some storage down here. See that? Kind of interesting. Pretty good sized galley. They have a multiplex wiring firefly type system. Here's the Truma. This is the sink, nice, residential. Big drawers, 1, 2, you guessed it, 3. Fridge, certainly doable. Freezer, you can actually get some stuff in that freezer. Good job. Cooktop, propane. I do like that look. Windows so you can see what the heck's going on outside. Storage, good. Splash guard, microwave, not convection. A separation piece here. This is kind of cool. I don't see that. Normally this would be gone. So it does give a little distinct living area to the back. We'll look at that in just a second. Here's the bathroom. What I like about this is you don't have to have a shower curtain. That is great. Hey everybody. Flip down sink. Okay. Toilet. We'll see if that is a cassette or not. And then in the back, wardrobe again. What do you think? Yes, more wardrobe with the hangers going the wrong way maybe. Television. Storage. Glad there's no second cabinet here. Blocks the view. Bed. Motorized. Comes down like this. So you have twin bed on this side, twin bed on this side. Or these probably move together, a rail system that this would make up one giant bed. Automotive glass windows that open, it looks like. This one's got the shade down. Cool. Little reading light. Nice touch. Air conditioning. Coleman Mach. Nice little rig. I don't know, but I really like this. It just separates the spaces visually, and you're not going to gain anything by removing it. So I kind of like that. What do you think? Kind of the same thing here. Now, I probably wish this was out flush, so you just gain a little more inches because you can't use this for anything probably. But I gotta hand it to Thor and their TELLARO line. They are kind of doing some things different. They probably have a similar floor plan on the Sequence side. The TELLAROs are only sold at Lazy Days, and the competitor to this sister name is sold by General RV. It's very confusing to the customer. But curious what you think of this rig. It's actually pretty nice. Hey, if we're meeting for the first time, howdy. My name is Scott. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Go Small, Live Large. All about the Class B van RV lifestyle. Here we give you van tours, we show you places to take your van, and we give you van tips. Just an honor to have you watching. Give a thumb up, comment below, and subscribe to the channel if you like that kind of content. I know, right? All right, let me show you around on the outside. 20J. Again, TELLARO. Here's a propane port, cool. Awning, nice. Skybunk. Skybunk is the name for the pop top. Bike rack, cool. hitch. Comes with every Ram Promaster, I think. TELLARO trimmer furnace, definitely a cassette toilet. City fill, this is going to be your tank fill probably. Propane, sewer hose, gray tank. And when I say probably, it's locked, it's not available to me to open up, but what I'm seeing is a trend toward locking tank fill port so people can't poison your water. Probably not a bad idea. 30 amp cable TV, very important. See a little bump out for the sky bunk. This is the 20J. I need to make a quick correction. I was kind of curious about the table. The situation is, it does have a lagoon table, but it used to live right there. You can see the hole, so somebody leaned on the table pretty hard and it popped out. So this would be a lagoon table, goes this way, not dissimilar to the other model where we saw a lagoon table here. So this is, again, it's pretty compelling. You have a permanent-ish front room with a table you could probably leave up and leave stuff on. And again, kind of a permanent bedroom if you so desired back here.